Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore. Kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ke jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, aki hospital bahedo India but shabarni. Nabanta ke jingkuli ka jingsio ka barek but pila banleg group ban kuli da ka education loan. Pila aruban chukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu license, arn riu khandai pra.
Declaration of results of election under Section 66 of the Representation of the People Act 1951. Election to the Legislative Assembly of Meghalaya adjourned AC from 23 Sohïong ST Assembly Constituency in pursuance of the provisions contained in Section 66 of the Representation of the People Act 1951, read with Rule 64 of the Conduct of Election Rules 1961. I declare that Synshar Thabah, Mount Village, Sohïong, East Castles District, Meghalaya, sponsored by United Democratic Party, has been duly elected to fill the seat of that house from the above constituency.
Siapa kadang rekam kentang, nang ni sekamar dong IT behoklet reknar un sumar un nyalam nanti yang aman pet ya ka constituency Brockway kumjuru ya ka stiri. I think it is the love and faith of the people bala lai ba kacamangan let Paidpbah hi kilawan hi ka mensim ka Jing. Ka neru ka diga strong message ba Hapoh Sohïong wajuan ka buat Pisa. Thied yu Paidpbah ka Jing. Ngati ngalong ba I just don't want to be a legislator. I want to be a lawmaker who's going to speak in the assembly. So, kini other subjects like ILP, the roster recruitment system, the UCC, which is like a main campaign subject jungi public campaign. Let's see, let's wait. I have no other comments. Then let's wait. Let's see tomorrow onwards. Obviously, tate nama boleh imahel atribun kikam kimati jongi kibabun Hapoh Sohïong konstituensi. I am a continuation of his work kumala juangi so ngan le kat bangala man penwandur pen bahabri susu ya Sohïong konstituensi. Yeah, obviously tate it's been a drought the last 5 years. I think from today onwards I think starts a new era Sohïong konstituensi. Obviously sympathy vote kade jingi jo Paidpbah imahe Caka jungi ngami mangate so Paidpbah kadon sympathy vote. I think I have to start from zero again after everything whatever my uncle has done. So Jingkala starts from tomorrow. Let's see from tomorrow onwards because I am from there. I know a lot about Sohïong constituency. Satar kadehi to upgrade all educational institution. That is my first priority. So makum kwa gibri bikin dan kita ki dropouts. Makum juru makum no upgrade the education system for Sohïong constituency. That is a priority.